I hope you all are doing well. So today we are about to have a detailed discussion on our speaking module. First of all, let us discuss the 4 parameters of speaking on which our speaking is judged in the exam. The first parameter is fluency and coherence. Second parameter is lexical resource. Third parameter is grammatical range and accuracy. Fourth parameter is pronunciation. If we talk about fluency and coherence, there is a misconception that anyone who can speak at a very good speed is fluent, but it is not like that. A fluent speech is the one in which there are not at all any unnecessary pauses, though natural pauses can be there. Coherence. Coherence is something which is completely relevant. You are not supposed to speak something which is not related to the question being asked. If we talk about lexical resource, some students usually consider it as vocabulary, which is right. You are supposed to use vocabulary, but it actually means using a range of words. Try avoiding those words in which the pronunciation is a bit difficult, and this can be really useful to you. Third parameter, it is grammatical range and accuracy. In terms of grammatical range and accuracy, you are supposed to make different sentences using different grammatical devices. Avoid using similar types of structures and sentences, and you have to be really accurate in terms of grammar. You must be clear about tenses, articles, and other parts of speech. At last, pronunciation. Try avoiding putting stress on certain words, and if you are not sure about the exact pronunciation of any word, avoid using it, and this can help you gain a very good score in your speaking module. Now we talk about part 1 of our speaking test. In this part, you will be asked about certain questions in which your personal opinion would be required. So let's take an example of music. You will be asked about your favorite kind of music, and you will be asked about certain opinions about the same. So if you want to say yes, you can say undoubtedly, obviously, definitely, indeed. If you want to say no, this can be not at all, a big no for this. No, it's not like that. You can use such kind of words to express your opinions. There can be certain questions which can be a bit tricky to solve. You may not have the right answer on the spot for the same, and if you need some time to think for the right answers, you can use certain words. Just like, well, that's a tricky question, I need to think upon that. And if any question is asked in the past tense, you can use a sentence that can be a starter, which is, well, it's been a long time, it's really hard to remember. Let's talk about cue card. There are several misconceptions about cue card as well. Some students think that it should be brief. Some students say that even if you fulfill the demand of each and every question presented in the cue card, it's enough, but it's not like that. Your cue card must be of an ideal length. It should be of at least 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. You should satisfy each and every question, and also make sure that the main idea of the cue card must be presented in front of the examiner in the first minute of it. But even if 1 minute has been passed and you are not clear about your main topic, your examiner may ask you to stop, and you may have to face a band deduction. Finally, the discussion round. The discussion is completely based on the cue card. You'll have certain questions on which you are supposed to present the answer considering the whole aspect in your mind. You're not supposed to present your personal opinion, though you can do that while saying that being a youngster, being a citizen, being a person from the same community, you can present your opinions in such a way, but your personal preferences should be avoided in this part. This is all about speaking. Some tips for your speaking day. Try to dress in a formal manner, avoid using hand actions, greet your examiner and be polite during your whole speaking test. Avoid using any harsh words or any aggressive words. This may help you in getting a good band score in your IELTS speaking test. All the best. If you want more tips and tricks and more information regarding any module of IELTS, you can visit any of our social media page or you can call the mentioned number. Thank you.